Welcome to the FQPro first step video. If you are here, you already have FQ installed on your server. We are going to go through 4 basic steps of what you need to be able to start the FQ system. To start, open up FQ. Please log in with the default username and password, which is admin. The password admin is lowercase admin. Now that you have logged in, because the password is very insecure, step number 1 will actually be to change the admin password and be able to create new users. To that, you'll click on maintenance. You will scroll down to users in the left menu. Inside here, please select on edit tab. Inside the edit tab, please double click on the admin full name, and inside here you will be able to see this password. Now we're going to change it. I'm just going to change the admin password to admin01. And you can fill in some more other information as required. However, I'm not going to change anything with this regard, as I'm going to be creating a new user. I will select edit. And the user has been updated. I'm going to create a new user, Donovan. The email address here will be where it's applied, and any reports that have to be emailed will be using this default email address. Cell phone number, which level? I'm going to say I'm a level 1. Location, I'm location head office. The head office is a default location that is added in the system. Should you have more than one branch, you can go to users locations in order to add more. My phone extension and cellular extension are only applicable if you have VoIP telephone systems with ATS All Technology Solutions. That will allow you to integrate phone calls to and from the system. My phone extension. Pipeline, this user is set as if this user is going to be available for the pipeline cells. As I'm going to be needing this for demonstration, I'll be saying yes. And what department do I fall into? This department is also a customizable list that one can change themselves. User created. I'm now going to log out of the user and I'm going to log back in. And I'm now logged in as a normal user. Because I'm a level 1, I'm still able to do the other maintenance options. Should you be using the systems for quoting, ordering, invoicing, etc., and you haven't got stock on the system at this point in time, there will be more videos in future to follow for that. You will need a minimum of 1 code in to be able to just do general invoicing and quotes. I'm going to select maintenance. I'm going to go to non-inventory. You'll see that there is absolutely no information at this point in time. I'm going to say create code, NONOTH. I'm doing that for non-inventory other. That code can be whatever you want. I do recommend please do not put spaces in, and also please make it more than 3 or more characters. Okay, I've now created 1 item here, so now I'll be able to do some quotes and basic invoicing off the system that has no need for actual stock availability. The next item that you need to do is, if you want to do quotes, etc., will be to edit your location details. So I'm going to go close, maintenance, branches, and inside branches I'm going to go and edit head office. In head office, here is some basic information that one will be able to do. Just remember your base currency is very important over here, as well as cost pop-up. Will change later on a separate video. Here on invoices and quotes, it's going to default this with HO. So for example, if you have multiple branches, different shopping centers, you might want to make this one MEN if it was Menlands, CLE for Clearwater, and so on and so forth. Your addresses and quotes, etc. This will become self-explanatory as you start using the system. And once you are done, please also don't forget to upload your required logo that will actually display on your invoices and quotes. Once that is done, you are actually able to start using the system through and through. As you require more users and more branches, you can go add them at your own location. The only time there is an additional charge is if the user is billed as a sales user or a pipeline user required for the sales CRM. This is the end of the step video. The next one will be an overview of actually using the sales pipeline.